Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take long scrolling screenshot in laptop. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, open your Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Now open a web page of which you wish to take a long screenshot. So here I have already opened this page. Just scroll down the entire page so that complete web page gets loaded properly. Now right click anywhere on the web page. From the available options, click on Inspect. Now on the right side, click on the icon that says Toggle Device Toolbar. As you can see, now on the left panel, click on these three dots and you will find an option Capture Full Size Screenshot. As you can see, just click on Capture Full Size Screenshot, wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, screenshot has now downloaded. So if you tap on this to open, you will find long scrolling screenshot of the entire web page. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to take long scrolling screenshot on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.